begin, an FIR has been lodged in connection with the alleged harassment of 30-year-old woman and her friends by a group of men in the national capital. The incident took place in southwest Delhi's Haskas area on the intervening night of Sunday and Monday, when the victim, along with her three friends, was waiting for a cab outside a bar. According to the complaint, 3 to 4 men made lewd comments on them. In fact, the victims are residents of Darjeeling in West Bengal. So these are essentially women who hail from Darjeeling in West Bengal, and this harassment case, remember, now an FIR has been lodged in the same in connection with this alleged harassment of not just a 30-year-old, but along with that, a few friends of hers as well, who they say were harassed by a group of men in the national capital on the intervening night of Sunday and Monday, when victim, along with her friends, was waiting for a cab on the streets of the national capital. A case has been registered in this, FIR has been registered, I beg your pardon, in this case. The public tracking those details. We'll come back to this story as and when we pick up more information on the same.
Sorry. You will viral. ऐसे बोलने से होगा बोले ऐसा करता है क्या? ऐसे रेट पूछ लेते हो? रेट लाइक कहाँ खड़े आपको पता नहीं? हाँ, हम लोग का मूड स्पॉइल कर दिया. With you. हम कहीं थे ना, हम थे क्या? आपका ग्रुप का था. छोटे को भी नहीं देखते क्या? तुम लोग है गवार लोगो. What sorry? What sorry बोले से होगा बोले तो हम लोग को कुछ नहीं होता है. हम लोग के वजह से ना हम लोग को ऐसा होता है. आप लोग के बच्चा बुढ़े हो गए, दिमाग हो गए, बीवी बच्चे हैं, तुम लोग और चाहिए क्या? एक टकला हुआ बोलना, रेट पूछ रहा था ना, रेट बताऊंगी तुझे. यहाँ बोला अपना चेहरे देखा है क्या? अपना चेहरा देख. बाप की उम्र क्या है तू?
My colleague Atul is joining us with more details on this story. Atul, now the police, of course, has filed an FIR in this case, but take us through the details. And before I take this to Atul, we have activist Brinda Adike joining us on the phone line. Brinda, we've seen repeated incidents of this kind of harassment on the streets of the national capital. These women hail from Darjeeling in West Bengal. We have some of those visuals as well, but what do you have to say on, this trend that is ever increasing, not just in the national capital, but nationwide?
First and foremost, we must put it down on record that the police are also not very, very favorable. They haven't shown anywhere that they take cases immediately when it is reported to them, either over telephone or in person. And that is the impunity that has increased. The ethnic, they actually are ethnic minorities. And when they are in Delhi, there's some kind of understanding, or there's this attitude by people in Delhi that anybody outside Delhi doesn't belong to Delhi and are not Indians, and so they can be harassed. And women across India are not safe. There is street harassment. This is not different. Now, what has the police done about this case? Many times we hear the police saying we are taking action. What action are you taking? Why can't you say, yes, we have registered the case under 354 as per the Verma Commission, and yes, those people have been arrested, and yes, they have been produced before the magistrate. Taking action is a very evasive statement, and the public knows that. And that is the impunity that we must shatter. It is great that Republic is reporting something like this and taking the matter up. But we need to push the police and the state agencies to take cognizance, to say that Delhi is safe. It's the capital of my country. If this capital does not cater to all Indians, how can you call yourself a capital?
Absolutely. And you're right in pointing that out, Brinda, because this incident took place on the intervening night of Sunday and Monday, and the FIR was finally lodged just a few hours back. So certainly there is a delay in taking any sort of action also to begin with. But what can be done really to make sure that this kind, of an issue is something that we don't come across every now and then, and there is action taken in time, well within time, because else these perpetrators, these goons, get away extremely easily.
You're right. These are goons. These are perpetrators. These are criminals. We must use the word that is lawfully to be given to them. These are criminals, and the police must patrol correctly. Sitting in the van, sitting in cars, in pink cars or blue cars or green cars, and patrolling is not going to increase the confidence of women, and it will not also increase the confidence in the police. There must be beat patrol. They keep talking so much about community policing. They talk about a safe Delhi. If you talk of safe Delhi, then we must see police who are mingling with the public to say that we are your friends and we are here to listen to you and take suo motu cognizance of crimes that happen on the street. We don't have to wait for you to report. They have got CCTV cameras under the Nirbhaya scheme. So who is monitoring these CCTV cameras? You don't have to wait for 48 hours to register an FIR. When you know that you talk of Digital India and you talk of monitoring, what have you done? Haven't you seen that this girl has been harassed on the street? And it is not a 2-3 minute harassment. It has continued for quite a long time. So we have to lay the responsibility and hold the police accountable.
Yes. And if we go by these visuals, I can see clearly 2 to 3 women there, not just one. Thank you, Brinda, for speaking to us. We need to cut across live to the Lok Sabha proceedings.